Hey guys, so yesterday in the Beady Bunch group, or last night, I was really excited because I finally found a way on the small knotty-do-it-all to do a tiered necklace. So I'm going to show you guys. I had asked Sandra and she hadn't thought of a way to do it, but I was just really stubborn and determined and bored, so I did it. And I'm going to show you guys how, okay? I've got my clips here, my pegs here, and my markers here. Okay, so what we're going to do to start is I have a clip here. We're going to put it on this first peg hole, and then we're going to take a peg, and we're going to start at the 0, and one at the 8, one at the 13, and then one at 16, because I think that's a good length to be at the neck. So, okay. Oh, we need another clip here at the end, about 17.5. You're going to want to leave some extra at the ends, but I'm not gonna, because I'm not actually making a project. So let's clip it in. Okay. And we're going to wrap it around here. Okay. And that's going to be your first layer. Okay. Then if you see right here between 10.5 and 11, there's another hole. So what you do, put a peg right here and a peg right here, and that's about 1/2 inch. So what we're going to do is wrap around it 1 and 2 times, and then continue going around. That's my little dog Willie. Continue going around to the peg, and that's your tier 2. You could stop there, and then that'll be beautiful as it is, but we're going to try to go 3. So we're going to go around this peg again and come back around. We're not going to go through there. Okay. And then we're going to stop at 13 and get another peg. And then you're going to want to double the 2. So you're going to want to go 4 times around. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then continue around to your 16. Then I'm going to clip it off here for a minute. And what you're going to do here is you're going to finish your ends. Okay. You're going to finish your ends however you want, with a moose knot, with a loop, whatever you want to do. And then I am going to use these to clip it to show you. Okay. And just take everything off here. Then what you have, right now it's a little tangled because there's no beads on it, but what you have is 3 different tiers. Let's see if I can straighten that out for you. See? You can use this with knotted jewelry. You can use it with leather like I'm doing right here, with S-line, whatever you want. So I hope you guys find this useful. So I'll talk to you guys later.